Hello everyone. In this quick session, I'll be showing you how to organize your ASNOA training resources. But first, let's briefly review the importance of organization. To begin with, organization in the workplace is important because it encourages productivity, it helps reduce work-related stress, and most importantly, it saves time. And when you establish an efficient workplace, you're establishing structure for your agency. Think about that. By doing so, you and your team are likely to accomplish more and generate more business because you have everything in order. Now that we understand the importance of organization, let's talk about how we can organize our ASNOA training resources. One way for you to organize your ASNOA training resources is through emails. We know emails are an essential part of your day-to-day workflows. You're constantly communicating with prospects, clients, staff, and carriers. In addition to that, you're also communicating with your training team at ASNOA. And as part of your training team, we are always providing handouts, SOPs, and other educational materials to support your agency. So, how do you manage all of these communications and resources, but also keep them separate? What you can do is create an ASNOA training folder in whichever email service provider that you're using to keep your resources separate. It's likely that you spend a significant amount of time working in emails, so let's make this organization method simple and effective by implementing it where you already spend most of your time. So here is what my email inbox looks like. I use Microsoft Outlook for my emails. What I did first was right-click on the word inbox and I added a new folder. Next, I labeled my new folder ASNOA Training. Within my ASNOA Training folder, I added several other folders to keep these resources separate from the rest. Here, I have a place for the Applied University courses, Applied Epic SOPs, Live with Laura emails, and Profit Centers. Of course, you could label these however you want to. These are just a few general categories to mention. You may have noticed another folder designated for Epic Reports. Let me show you what that looks like. I have created folders for each report that I'm currently receiving. As you know, Epic Reports are delivered daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on the report. So once I receive a report, I work on the tasks that I need to get done, and once I finish, I'll file that into the appropriate folder to remove it from my inbox. You don't want to delete reports because you never know when you might need to refer back to it. For example, maybe you want to see the new business minus 30 days report from the last month and compare it to the current month. Instead of having to rerun the report, you can just grab that report from the one of the folders that you created. Again, you can word these folders to your preference. The goal is to create some type of order that makes sense to you and your agency. Now let's highlight some of the things that were mentioned during this session. Organization practices can increase productivity, reduce work-related stress, help you save more time, create efficiencies, and develop structure in your agency. What we learned today was that you can implement organization in your agency by simply creating folders in your email inbox. Who knows, maybe the small method of organization will inspire you to reorganize some other elements of your workday. I hope you found this quick session helpful. We'd love to hear your feedback if you found